Exercise 9.8. Question number 5. Find the area of the region bounded between the curves y is sin x, y is cos x, and the lines x is equal to 0 and x is equal to pi. So first we should know to draw the graph of sin x and cos x. Sin 0. What is sin 0? 0. Cos 0, 1. Then sin pi by 2, it is between 0 and pi. Sin pi by 2 is 1. Cos pi by 2 is 0. Then sin pi is 0. Cos pi is minus 1. And also you know sin pi by 4 and cos pi by 4 both are equal, right? So that is, the curves are intersecting at the point x is equal to pi by 4. So first let us draw the sin x curve between 0 and pi, and here we take it as 1 and this side take it as minus 1. Sin 0 is 0. Sin pi by 4, 1 by root 2, somewhere here. 1 by root 2 is less than 1. So sin pi by 4 is here. Then sin 90 is 1 and sin pi is 0. So the curve goes like this. It comes and meets and then it goes like this. This is the curve. This is the sin x curve. Now let us draw the cos x curve. So cos x curve, how will you draw? Cos 0 is 1. Cos pi by 4 is also 1 by root 2. Sin pi by 4 is also 1 by root 2. So they are meeting here. And cos 90, it comes to 0. Cos pi, it reaches minus 1. So the curve will be like this. It goes like this. Then it goes like this. We need only from 0 to pi. We need only up to pi. Only this area. So we have to find the area bounded between the curves. So that means this between the curves means this area. We have to find this area, and also we have to find this area, the between the curves. So we have to find these two areas. This is pi, only up to pi. So that this red curve is a sine curve and blue is the cos curve. So we have to find the area between. So first we have to find from 0, this area, 0 to pi by 4, there is a break here. Then from pi by 4 to pi. So we have to find the area now. This curve, we take it as y1, and the red one, we take it as y2. Now for this area, the equation, this is the boundary, the upper boundary. The upper boundary is blue. Can you see that blue here? The upper boundary is blue. The blue goes to y1, that is the cos curve. Blue is the cos curve, I said. So the area will be now, area is integral 0 to pi by 4 of y1. The upper boundary is y1. So y1 d, this is x limit. Area formula we know, integral y dx when you use the x limit. See, the upper boundary is y1. If I write only y1, I will get even this area. Isn't it? Below this blue curve means including this. But I need only this. So I have to write y1 minus y2. You understood why I am writing y1 minus y2? This area under this blue curve minus area under the red curve, only that will give you this area. Plus, now similarly the second one, the limit is from pi by 4 to pi. Pi by 4 to pi. Okay, it is from pi by 4 to pi. We want this area. This area. So the upper curve, the upper boundary, the boundary of this is the upper boundary. So the upper boundary, the curve will be red curve. Red curve is sin x. Sin x is y2. We have written as y2. y2 minus the lower curve. The lower curve is y1. This y2 minus y1 dx. So that is equal to integral 0 to pi by 4. y1 is the blue curve. The blue curve is the cos curve. So cos x minus y2 is this, the red curve. Red curve is sin x dx plus pi by 4 to pi y2 minus y1. y2 is the red curve. Red curve is sin x minus cos x into dx. So this is how you find the area. So it should be y1 minus y2. If I do only y1, I will get the area including this. We don't want this region. We want only this. So y1 minus y2. This will be y2 minus y1. Now integrate. So the area is equal to cos x integration is sin x. Integral of cos x. Sin x integration is sin x dx is minus cos x. So there is already one minus here. So it will become plus cos x. Limit 0 to pi by 4 plus integral of sin x is minus cos x. Minus cos x is minus sin x. Limit is from pi by 4 to pi. This minus, let us take it out. So sin x plus cos x 0 to pi by 4 minus, I took minus outside. So cos x plus sin x. Limit is from pi by 4 to pi. So that is equal to, apply the limit, you get it. Apply the upper limit first. The upper limit is pi by 4. So sin pi by 4 plus cos pi by 4 minus the lower limit minus sin 0 plus cos 0. Then minus, apply the upper limit. So this will become cos pi plus sin pi minus cos pi by 4 plus sin pi by 4. So it is equal to sin pi by 4. What is the value of sin pi by 4? 1 by root 2 plus cos pi by 4 is also 1 by root 2 minus sin 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1 minus cos pi. I have written the values here. Cos pi is minus 1. So cos pi value is minus 1. Sin pi is 0 minus cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. Sin pi by 4 is also 1 by root 2. So this is equal to 2 by root 2 minus 1 minus into minus plus 1 minus into minus plus 2 by root 2. So that means you get 4 by root 2. Multiply by root 2, divide by root 2. So 4 root 2 by 2, that is 2 root 2. That's the answer. 2 root 2 square units. This is the area. So write it as square units.